No one likes me. I'm a terrible person. I'm better off alone. This always happens to me. Ever feel like your emotions are a runaway train, speeding out of control at the slightest bump? Today, we're diving into why you keep losing control, and more importantly, how you can fix it. We all have those moments when a simple email, a minor disagreement, or even a bad day makes us lash out. It's not that you're weak, it's that your emotional control is off balance. This constant roller coaster can damage relationships, hold you back at work, and leave you feeling powerless. Let's break it down with a simple framework I call the RPR method. Recognize, pause, reframe. Recognize. Identify the emotion and its trigger. Pause. Take a moment to breathe and center yourself. Reframe. Shift your perspective to choose a better response. Imagine your emotions are like a wildfire. Left unchecked, they spread and cause chaos. But if you learn to control the spark, you can tame the fire. Here's how. 1. Recognize. When you feel anger or frustration building, take a moment to name it. Ask yourself, am I feeling overwhelmed, angry, anxious? This small step brings awareness to your emotions. 2. Pause. Before you react, take 3 deep breaths. This simple pause gives your brain the chance to switch from a fight or flight mode to a state of calm. 3. Reframe. Now ask yourself, is there another way to look at this situation? Instead of reacting impulsively, choose a response that helps rather than hurts. Reframe the problem. Turn a negative into a learning moment. Here's a common myth. To be in control, you must suppress your emotions. The truth? True control isn't about suppression. It's about understanding and channeling your feelings into positive action. Emotions are natural, and managing them is what truly makes you powerful. Now it's your turn. Try the RPR method the next time your emotions feel out of control. Recognize, pause, and reframe your way to a calmer, more empowered you. Which step do you think will be hardest for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical hacks, and share this video with someone who needs a boost in emotional control. Remember, taking control of your emotions is the first step towards taking control of your life.